The Hydroshot WG633E is a tough portable power cleaner that builds and improves on the success of the original Hydroshot. This Hydroshot is a lightweight and compact cordless power cleaner, tough and powerful, but portable to carry with you everywhere. It draws water from any source: bucket, tap, bottle, lake, river or pool. If there's water, you can clean your stuff anywhere and any time. It has a 5-in-1 pressure nozzle, allowing you to select the spray angle and strength, whether it's watering the garden or cleaning stubborn stains off the patio. It has a nitro brushless motor for more power and longer runtime, all powered by an efficient 4-amp-hour battery. It works at a maximum pressure of 56 bar, delivering excellent performance at double the flow rate of the lower model. And it uses Worx PowerShare batteries, one battery for all your power tools. And for the toughest of conditions, the battery is protected by an IPX7 rated waterproof case. With a multitude of accessories, you'll be able to configure your Hydroshot to take on all the tasks you need to do quickly and efficiently. To assemble the Hydroshot, take the long lance and, making sure one notch is pointing upwards, insert it into the main unit, pushing with a little pressure, and give it a quarter turn twist to the right. Pull the metal collar down on the other end of the lance and insert the pressure nozzle, releasing the metal collar to secure it in place. Take the hose with a quick connect fitting and click it onto the underside of the unit. Connect the other end of the hose to a tap and turn it on. Alternatively, use the draw hose supplied and drop the filter end into a bucket of water. Now take the 4-amp-hour PowerShare battery, flip open the lid of the waterproof case and insert the battery into place. And you're ready to go. To start the Hydroshot, press the safety lock down and then pull the trigger. Press the Eco button on the top of the unit to switch to an economy mode and prolong battery runtime. You can adjust the spray angle by rotating the pressure nozzle. There are 5 settings, from a concentrated single point to a gentle water spray. And there are a host of accessories available for your everyday needs. A short lance for easier movement. A misting nozzle for a fine mist on your plants. A turbo nozzle for an expanded cleaning area. A pivot nozzle to adjust the angle of spray. A rotary cleaning brush for more effective cleaning. A window squeegee to clean and wipe as you go. A soap foam bottle to apply a coating of cleaning foam. A bottle connector to draw water from a plastic bottle. A cleaning brush for easy brush cleaning as you spray. A foldable water bucket for convenience. The Worx Hydroshot WG633E is a tough but lightweight portable power cleaner. It'll draw water from any water source to hand. It has a nitro brushless motor and a 4-amp-hour battery for more power and longer runtime. It has an incredible maximum 56 bar cleaning pressure and has a 5-in-1 pressure nozzle to vary your spray angle and strength. There's a Worx PowerShare battery housed in a waterproof case. One battery for all your power tools. And with the plethora of accessories, you'll be able to configure your Hydroshot exactly as you want it. This Hydroshot is a compact portable power cleaner able to remove stubborn dirt and is a match for the toughest of jobs. As an alternative, the Worx Hydroshot WG633E is also a light, compact and highly portable power cleaner. Like the 633E, it'll draw water from any water source to hand and has a 5-in-1 pressure nozzle to vary your spray angle. This model, however, has a maximum 24 bar cleaning pressure. That's 10 times the pressure of a normal garden hose. And like the other Hydroshot, there's a wide range of accessories available. This model too is a great option for portable cleaning on the go. We hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching.